PhysicsWallah is the largest education company at this point of time, and it is fastest growing internet company in India at this point of time. Past 2 years, our revenue jumped by 4 times, 97% CAGR in revenues, and our EBITDA also jumped almost 4 times, almost 90% CAGR in our EBITDA, we are coming to stock markets, the issue is opening for the public for 11th of November, and the listing date is 18th of November.
What are the main objectives of PhysicsWallah Limited's IPO?
So main objective is to have a larger reach, larger branding, because a public listed company seen with the eyes of more love and respect, and that allows us to build a bigger brand in terms of parent trust and student trust. At the same time, the issue is 90% primarily. That will allow us to expand even more aggressively, and there is a slight 10% OFS component. None of our existing investors are selling, that shows a confidence in terms of company's current revenue growth as well as profitability growth. So this is the first Indian internet IPO where none of the existing investors are selling.
How will the funds raised through this IPO be utilized?
So, partially, these funds will allow us to, open 200 more centers in next 3 years. Although we are sitting on a large treasury, we can expand our offline reach with our own treasury as well. But still, at the same time, use of proceeds will allow us to expand into southern part of the country. We have launched 11 different Indic languages. We are very strong in strong Hindi heartland brand. The 15 North India states are we have a good penetration, but now we want to expand to southern part of the country as well. So this will allow us to enter into the newer geographies, newer languages.
How does PhysicsWallah plan to attract retail and institutional investors?
See, we have a large student base, around 12 crore students are attached to us on a various social media channels, So, we are a household name in country, wherever there's a student, in a house, they know us, especially grade 9, 10th, 11th, 12th science students, we have a huge market share. So, I don't think, we have to put in extra efforts to attract retailers. We have a lot of, we are a consumer internet company, so, a lot of our students and their families will raise their hands to come to our IPO.
What differentiates PhysicsWallah from other edtech competitors like Byju's or Unacademy?
See, we are very different companies. See, PhysicsWallah started with the vision that education should be affordable. Our average course fees are 3,600 rupees for the entire year of live learning, all subjects, doubt solving, mentorship, revision, in just 3,600 rupees. All other edtech companies were trying to sell their courses at 80,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. They were trying to target the top 5% of the India. We have created the product for the rest 95% of the India. We are a company born out of community. We teach everything for free on internet, because education should be available to everyone, So, our marketing spends were never been into, more than 10% in the history of PW. The other education company used to spend, 40%, on marketing, branding, and, as a customer acquisition cost. So, we are a consumer internet play, we have made education affordable, and, we are reaching out to the masses. That is being translated into our revenue growth as well as our profitability improvement.
How is the company planning to expand its offline, online, and hybrid model?
So, we are planning to open 200 more centers in our offline and hybrid mode of learning. Decision to open our offline learning centers lies with online. 80% of our offline admissions happens through mobile app only. As well as online, we have, as I told, we have already launched 11 Indic languages. We are expanding into multiple state board categories, as well as we will continue to add newer exam categories. So the growth will come from the newer exam categories as well as going deeper into existing exam categories. So India is having 6 crore text takers on every year. And this market is growing at a 15% CAGR. And we are not even teaching 6% of this market. India has 30 crore learners, and we have only monetized 1.5% of the total Indian learners market. So there's a huge headroom to expand in online.
What is Physicswala's growth strategy for the next 3 to 5 years?
So growth, I would say it's an understatement, because we are the fastest growing internet company at this point of time. Revenue jumped is 4 times in just 2 years. For us, is more important is student outcomes, academic quality, student NPS, growth, profit. All these are the byproducts, because fundamentally a good education business is a good word of mouth business. If you create value in the student's life, they will go and bring all of their friends into the courses. So of course, we have a great track record of historical growth, and we will continue to grow in future. Thank you so much.